Good morning, Madhu. So many of our teachers and children have already spoken about Republic Day. So I don't have much to talk about it here because you know the importance of Republic Day as adults, as citizens of India. But just a few lines. On Republic Day, we recall how important the Constitution is in our lives. Isn't it, parents?
Yes.
It serves as a reminder why are we celebrating Republic Day. It's a major reminder that we must respect one another's rights and that we must carry out our civic responsibilities as responsible Indian citizens. We can assist make India a better place by adhering to its constitutional ideals of honesty, equality, and togetherness. So on this day, let us all remind ourselves about our responsibilities as citizens of India. This is very important reminder. Why? Basically, to make our lives better, to make a better living in the country, and most importantly, to lead by an example for all our children. Kids learn by observing us. They may not listen to you, they may say no, they may reject you, but they unknowingly observe you and imbibe your qualities in them and build personalities. So we are a reflection. The way we speak to others, the way we lead our lives, the way we are helpful and adjustable to our fellow beings, neighbors, all this behavior of ours is a reflection for them to build their responsibilities. So Republic Day is a quite important day of reminder for us to build a better nation. Now coming to children, as we are preschool part and we are celebrating this day with our children. Children represent our hope for a better future, isn't it? We are all working only for our children. The country is going ahead with the hope of better future from the children. Children of today will make the India of tomorrow. We were once children, now we are representing the country. Now, they have all the potential to change the world. Do you all agree with this? Do children have the potential to change the world? Yes, they do. Yes, with the help of the teachers, all the adults around them, parents. Together only it can happen. It cannot happen only one-sided. School and parents together, any school, not just Iris, teachers, school, all the adults around them, all the elders, parents, we are helping them build their personality. So in a way, we are actually helping build a better nation. They have all the potential to change the world. So let us all lead by example and help them build strong personalities and make our country the better place, the best place to live in the world. This is not just possible by teachers or school alone. I once again remind all the parents, it's our responsibility, the way we speak to each other, the politeness we carry, because of the stressful lifestyle that all the parents have these days. We hold on all the stress that accumulates at workplace, and then once the stress builds up, we throw it on whoever the soft spots are. And one of the soft spots are we teachers. Because we know how most of the parents, we understand their struggle in their everyday life and the tensions in the workplace. Most of them hold all this stress wherever they are working. And the point of the pressure you keep holding the pressure, and the point where you release is at the softer places where you think you can release. No problem, you will release here. So you're not holding up there, you're just releasing. I want all the parents to please understand, all the teachers who are working here are very much from the family like all of us are. And it's a workplace for them too. Just like how the workplace is for the parents, the corporate offices or whatever. This is their workplace too. And it's a great thing for any woman to be a teacher. It's not most rewarding. It's very stressful. They need to be very patient with all our children because they should love the teacher and the school. Yes. So they handle so many children only with their warmth. The warmth they are sharing with their children at home, they are sharing with our children at school as well. Thank you so much, teachers. I take this opportunity. I thank all of you for choosing to be a teacher, which is not very easy. So we only request parents to come up with a concern in a polite manner. That is all we request and expect. We are all here to support the children. We love our children. Thank you parents for the immense trust in us. There are many other schools. Amongst every school, amongst all the number of schools, you opted to be an IAS parent. A huge round of applause to all the parents. And we are so grateful for your trust in us over the years. Thank you so much. Many more events together. We will definitely meet up for many more events together. Thank you so much, Jay.